No, we about to do this one in color.
So you all in black and white.
Yeah, we all in black and white. We ain't got no color here in a minute. So yeah. So this one's for the people. We don't know how to get it back to color.
Oh, it's on color.
It's on color right about now.
Is this fine?
No.
Okay.
So
no.
we about to freestyle one more time.
It's on?
Yeah. Give y'all one more sample.
Oh.
I mean, bang.
Bam.
That's what we're about to do.
We're
about to rip some real shit, alright?
Rip it.
Alright, all the fees out there. Casey looks for you.
Right.
Here we go.
All the fees.
Time for this.
All the fees. Y'all some cold pieces. Hey. This is my song. Alright. Hey, automatic swag, automatic dripping, automatic bitches. So female, stop tripping. Yeah. Your hair to need be combed. Yeah, you need a toothbrush and some toothpaste. How you feeling? Your breath on kill. You need to go wash your mouth out. That's for real. Cause you be sucking and licking that. So I'ma tell you to step back or get back. How you feeling? Oh yeah, we chillin', yeah. Hey, we got that paper. How you feelin'? Cause we just chillin', yeah. We fresher than some motherfuckers.
Come on, time to go. Come on, time to go.
It's your turn. It's your turn.
Time to go.
Okay. Hey.
Give me a round of applause. Ha ha. Ha ha. There you go. Hold on. Lil Tay, and I'm coming off the dome. Tell your mom to come to my crib so we can get it on. I'm about to shut the game down. I'm about to take it over. Omaha, Nebraska, yo, we about to come like some clovers, man. You niggas ain't seen some of the shit that I'm on. You niggas so fucking weak, and I'm rapping off my dome. Y'all write this shit down, and y'all shit ain't even hard, but once you hear me flow, your girl be like, oh my god, man, I have all these bitches, man, I have all these hoes. Tell your girl to go home if she don't suck it like a pro. I don't wanna have her head, I don't wanna have her dome, I just wanna have her. Call my phone. Coming off the track. This ain't even my type of beat, but I just thought that it was rap. Man, I'm about to go do it, man. You other niggas whack. I'm about to start throwing money, some shit y'all never had. Nigga, talk about me, then you gotta bring in cash, cause I'm the $1 million man with that $1 million swag. Fresher than your next, and I'm fresher than your ex. Tell the nigga step his game up, cause this is no contest. I'm the fucking man, I'm a fucking beast. He don't wanna come bang with me out in the streets. Omaha, Nebraska 402, we do it every day. And we go from down here to my niggas out in James. Man, I rep it for all these niggas. Say what's up to the hood. Willie, here you go, nigga. Yeah, Nappy G, we hitting you up too. Everybody that we fuck with, Sue, Blue, Crib Gang all day. Some Hoover G's. Tell these niggas who we are, nigga, in these streets. And if you beefing, then we got that game for you. Shoot your shit up, bitch. Now.
You never met us. We some niggas that only ain't gotta cuss. We about that mess. You see us in the streets. We the main event in your party. How you feeling? Breaking all the little chicken heads. And in the back, yeah, she tryna give me fucking head. And how you feeling? How you dealing? How is your swag? I come up in your house and put you in a body bag. You ain't never met a female like me. I pull the trigger, hit the Glock, one pop, you see, and you're done. Ain't no message. I'm trying to tell you, this is only one testing. Hey.
I mean, the beat is over, but I'm still going like a 4-leaf fucking clover. Tell your girl to come to my crib, it's fucking over. Shout out to my nation niggas.
Nation fellows. Shout out to all my nation fellows. Shout out to all my Hoover G Crips. Shout out to the blood I love, Willie and Tep. You know, Willie and Tep G, them the only bloods I love. You know, shout out to my little sis, big sis Pookie. You know, shout out to her. You know, she's a weird one.
She's just giving shout outs.
You know, shout out.
And
You know, shout out to all the Comans for the reunion this Saturday.
Right. Shout out to all my blood people.
Shout out to all the blood
homies.
Shout out to my GF. Shout out to my BF. Shout out to all my strags, all my hoes, all my little bitches. Shout out to all y'all. You know.
She's going with it. She's going with it.
Shout out to all of them. You know, gotta let it be known. Shout out to all of them. Shout out to all my little off turns. You know, y'all some off turns. Shout out to everybody, you know, that's loving me, you know, feeling me.
Alright, we're gonna make this video separate. No shout out video on another time.